Hello everyone, welcome back to our Network Expert YouTube channel, and I am Paspati Banya. Today I will be the mentor in this video. In this video we are going to talk about the ARP spoofing. What is ARP spoofing, how it is done, and how can we prevent the ARP spoofing. Hope you guys like this video. Let's talk about the ARP spoofing. ARP spoofing, also known as ARP poisoning, which is a technique used by the attackers to manipulate the ARP, which stands for Address Resolution Protocol, in a network. ARP is responsible for mapping an IP addresses to a corresponding physical MAC addresses on a local network. MAC stands for Media Access Control. It is a typical network when a devices want to communicate with another devices. It sends an ARP request asking for the MAC addresses associated with an specific IP addresses. The device with that IP addresses respond with its MAC addresses, allow communication to occur. However, in an ARP spoofing attack, an attacker sends a fake ARP responses to the devices on the network. The attacker impersonates the IP addresses of a legitimate devices and associates it with own MAC addresses. This tricks other devices on the network into believing that the attacker's MAC addresses is associated with the legitimate IP addresses. Once the attacker successfully spoofs the ARP table of the devices on the network, they can intercept, modify, or redirect network traffic between the target devices. This can lead to various malicious activity, and the malicious activity are eavesdropping on the sensitive informations, performing man-in-the-middle attacks, or launching other type of attacks. ARP spoofing is particularly effective in a local networks where devices trust the ARP responses that receive without verifying their authenticity. It can be used to target both wired and wireless network. And what are the mechanisms to protect the ARP spoofing is the several countermeasures can be implemented to prevent the ARP spoofing. These include implementing secure ARP protocol, using static ARP entries, enabling ARP monitoring and detecting tools, and employing network level encryption and authentication mechanisms. And additionally, network administrator can educate the users about the risks of ARP spoofing and promote safe browsing practice. Hope you guys these are the theories, and I have shown you the, as you see in the display, there is an video about an attacker sending a ARP request. As you see how the attacker perform the ARP request. And this for the today video, guys. Hope you guys understand the ARP, how it is conducted, and what are the methods so you can prevent the ARP. So guys, hope you understand, hope you found this video fruitful. So guys, see you in the next video. Have a good time. Bye bye.